Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Diet and Exercise. It's your favorite day of the week, Flex Friday. In today's video, we dive deep into showcasing your fitness journey. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this is your moment to shine, celebrate your progress, and inspire others. We'll discuss the importance of tracking your progress, the right exercises to add to your Flex Friday routine, and how to stay motivated on your journey. So grab your water bottle, roll out your yoga mats, or hit that bench press because we're about to crush this together. The importance of tracking your fitness journey. One of the most crucial aspects of your fitness journey is tracking your progress. Why? Because fitness isn't just about where you want to go, it's also about recognizing how far you've come. Taking progress pictures, journaling your workouts, and monitoring your lifting stats are all fantastic ways to see growth over time. Progress doesn't happen overnight, and it's easy to get discouraged if you don't see instant results. However, looking back at your records will remind you of all the milestones you've hit. Document your reps, your sets, the weights you're using, and even how you feel after each workout. The small victories add up, and they fuel the motivation to keep pushing harder. Remember, consistency is key, and progress is about persistence, not perfection. The power of Flex Friday. Flex Friday is more than just a hashtag on social media. It's a mindset. It's the day to show up, give your all, and celebrate the incredible work your body is capable of doing. It doesn't matter where you are on your fitness journey because everyone's path is unique. On Flex Friday, take the time to appreciate your progress and feel confident in your body. Post that picture or flex in the mirror, not for validation, but as a reminder that your hard work is paying off. Fitness is about strength, both mental and physical, and sometimes you need that extra boost to realize how powerful you are. So don't shy away from showing off your gains, your endurance, and your transformation because you earned it. Upper body power, strengthening your arms and shoulders. Building a strong upper body is essential for improving overall fitness and functional movement. Let's start with a few exercises you can do to showcase your arms and shoulder gains. First, we've got the classic push-up. These target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, focusing on form and keeping your core tight. Next up, try dumbbell shoulder presses to strengthen those delts. Grab a pair of dumbbells, press them upward while maintaining a controlled motion, and aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. Another great addition is bicep curls to define those arms. For this, use moderate weights and go up to 3 sets of 15 reps. Finally, let's hit the triceps with overhead extensions. Hold one dumbbell behind your head, extend it upward, and lower it back down slowly for 3 sets of 12 reps. These exercises will help you sculpt strong, lean arms and shoulders for your Flex Friday showcase. Core work, building a strong and stable midsection. A strong core is the foundation of every fitness journey. It not only helps improve balance and stability, but also makes your workouts more efficient and powerful. To start, begin with planks. Hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds and focus on engaging your core throughout. For a more advanced version, add side planks to hit those obliques. Next, try leg raises to target your lower abs. Lie flat on your back, lift your legs upward while keeping them straight, and lower them slowly without touching the ground. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Another great exercise is bicycle crunches. Bring one knee toward your chest while extending the other leg, alternating sides for 3 sets of 20 reps. Finally, include Russian twists to work on your rotational strength. Sit on the floor with your feet slightly lifted, twist from side to side while holding a weight or medicine ball for 3 sets of 15 reps per side. These core exercises will help you build definition and stability, which are key for showing off those Flex Friday results. Leg day, sculpting your lower body. Leg day is a vital part of your Flex Friday routine. Your lower body is home to some of the largest muscle groups in your body, which means focusing on legs will not only build strength, but also torch calories. Start with squats. Whether you do bodyweight squats, goblet squats, or weighted barbell squats, aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Squats target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Next include lunges. Step forward into a lunge, bending both knees and alternate legs for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. For an added challenge, try holding dumbbells in both hands. Another excellent exercise is deadlifts, which strengthen your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Use a barbell or dumbbells. Keep your form tight and aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Cardio boost, elevating your endurance and energy. Cardio is often overlooked, but it plays a huge role in improving stamina, burning fat, and boosting overall health. Incorporating cardio into your Flex Friday workout is essential to balance strength training and keeping your heart healthy. Start with high knees, which involve running in place while lifting your knees as high as possible for 30 to 60 seconds. Next, include jumping jacks for a full-body cardio boost. Perform them at a steady pace for 1 minute and repeat for 3 seconds. Cardio not only improves endurance but also complements strength training, ensuring that your fitness journey is well-rounded and effective. Mind-muscle connection, mastering form and focus. The mind-muscle connection is one of the most underrated yet effective techniques for improving your workouts. It refers to focusing on the specific muscle you're working during each exercise to enhance engagement and results. For example, when doing squats, consciously think about squeezing your glutes as you rise back up. Similarly, during bicep curls, focus on the contraction in your arms rather than simply moving the weight up and down. This kind of focus increases muscle activation, which leads to better results. Start by performing exercises slowly, with controlled movements, and avoid rushing through sets. Use a lighter weight if necessary to ensure you're engaging the targeted muscle. The mind-muscle connection takes time to develop, but once you master it, you'll notice a significant improvement in both strength and muscle definition. It's not just about moving weight, it's about moving smart and getting the most out of every rep. Staying motivated on your fitness journey. Staying motivated can be one of the biggest challenges in any fitness journey, but Flex Friday is the perfect opportunity to reignite that fire. Set clear, realistic goals that excite you, whether it's lifting a certain weight, running a specific distance, or mastering a new exercise. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable milestones so that every win feels achievable. Surround yourself with a community that inspires and supports you, whether that's your gym crew, workout partner, or online fitness groups. Sharing your progress, struggles, and triumphs can keep you accountable and connected. Remember, fitness is a lifelong journey, and it's okay to have off days. The key is to keep showing up and focusing on progress over perfection. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small, because each one brings you closer to your goals. The importance of recovery and rest. Recovery is just as important as your workouts. When you push your body hard during Flex Friday or any other training day, you need to allow time for it to recover, repair, and grow stronger. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, as this is when your muscles recover the most. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Include stretching or yoga sessions to improve flexibility, reduce soreness, and promote muscle recovery. And that wraps up today's Flex Friday video. I hope this inspired you to embrace your fitness journey, push a little harder, and celebrate how far you've come. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step forward counts. Don't forget to track your progress, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on next week's content. Share your progress or Flex Friday photos in the comments. I'd love to hear how your journey is going. Until next time, stay strong, stay motivated, and keep crushing those goals.